Hi Mayam, KPax Beauty da amuhana welcome tawzari ngasigi share tawzari ba video se aigi skincare routine day to day da aina sizinajaba products sing do share tawzabane ngasigi products sing se sigi ayamba full review aigi channel sida product kharagidi aigi channel sida already yarabane adu something check tawbiyo अहानबगी ओइना आइगी स्किन से कॉम्बिनेशन टू ऑयली स्किन ओये अदुगा पिंपल नत्रगा एक्नी इशू यम का हेना लेबदी ओइदे बट समटाइम्स पिंपल अमा अनि अदुम खरा थुंगले अदुगा सिगी आइगी स्किन केयर रूटीन से मेनली फोकस ऑन स्किन से ब्राइटन द हनबा अदुगा आइगी स्पॉट्स लेबदो अदुदो लाइटन द हनबा अदुगा ओवरऑल स्किन गी ग्लो लेबदो अदुगी आइना कंसर्न दो येंगागा सीजन जब प्रोडक्ट सिंगने अहानबदा morning skincare da my tar matungda the first thing I use is a toner. Sometimes toner sizinadaba numit su yawe, but if sizinatargadi sigi toni moly gi green tea gi watery skin se I really like this one. Mas yam mild oye sizinabakan akhoi skin sida zero problems aduga mas greasiness oiba aduga uncomfortable oiba do adudu masung pipi de. I think even though si se green tea oi targasu almost all skin types da chanagani hena khalle aduga mase yam mild oiba aduga akhoigi skin se mathangi step to adudo yam phasana prepare tauba toner ne na haininge sigi toner se it has become one of my favorites. Sigi toner se nataba ai hajik atopa amtang try taude because it really suits my skin. Aduga akhoigi skin sida irritated oibudo I think this calms our skin down as well. Aduna I think sigi toner se this is a very nice toner. Sigi toni moly gi green tea toner se ayukta su nungdang su I use both times. Sigi toner se akhoi gi irritated oiba aduga acne issue leibada aduda su adum chanagani hena khalle. Next morning routine da I use 2 serums, but sometimes I use only 1 serum also. Kaigumba sina taragadi sigi minimalist ki alpha arbutin gi siga Etude House ki vita C talk ki vitamin C serum se sigi ani se morning the season ye alpha arbutin ga sigi Etude House ki vitamin C serum animak ki reviews do tongana aigi channel sida yawjakrabane adudo amtang check tawbiyo if you want more information. Sigi serum animak aina sizinabagi maramdi aigi skin se brighten to hanba aduga overall skin gi look sida yamna glow lehenbada aduta natana aigi dark spots leiba haidi pimple uring tagibagi dark mayam do adudo fade away tawba aduga lighten tawbada help tawbana ba haina sigi particular alpha arbutin haiba ingredient siga vitamin C haiba ingredient siga sizinabane. Next step, morning the day I keep my skincare to a minimum. Aduna next step ta aina sizinabase serum lower matungda I use my moisturizer. Moisturizer say hajik I have 3 moisturizer which I like. Ahanbada NEUTROGENA gi Hydro Boost say this is my all-time favorite. Mas affordable su oye aduga aina pamjaba adudo oye. Next toni moly gi ngasai gi green tea toner do aduga company da moisturizer sima season ye. Then anoba oina sigi minimalist ki moi gi anoba moisturizer do adu su season ye. Again sigi Hydro Boost se sigi full review aigi channel sida already yawkrabane adudo amtang check tawbiyo. Next sigi toni moly gi green tea gi moisturizer se aigi skin da si se yam kana chanaba oide so I use it as a body moisturizer now. Ahanba sigi toni moly gi moisturizer se sizinaba kanda laibakta murum saubudo adumaina tawre hadi comedone acne gi type ta tawre. At first I thought it was nothing but numit khara hena sizinara kanda so it kept growing so I stopped using it adu use tawba tokpa ka hek I think 2 to 3 days ki manungda aigi laibakta tawbudo adudo adum handagre so sigi green tea gi kano se maybe dry skin gumba natraga normal skin da chanagadra but aigi oily oiba aduga acne kitang prone oiba skin se di chanade so I suggest please be careful while you use this. Next sigi minimalist ki moisturizer say this is also a very nice moisturizer especially acne natraga oily skin normal to dry skin da so dum chanagani hana ibane si se but mase sizinara kanda pura dry down tawkhra kanda greasiness oiba aduga kemta issue leiba oide haidi breakouts thokpa aduga irritation thokpa rash kumba tawda adu kemta tawde Sigi sisu sizinaba yam nungaye, so aigi favorite Hydro Boost siga alternate oina use taraga I'm trying out and I like both of them. Next aigi product say winter skin sida I think essential oina khanba aigi moisture plus hydration do adu maintain to bada help to product anine. Ahanbada Laneige ki cream skin sine sigi product say moina normal to dry skin na even moy advertise to wakanda but agi combination to oily skin this is a id moisturizer oina season ay id it serves you as a toner plus moisturizer aduna si tayra matungda you don't need to apply a moisturizer if you have oily skin. So sige se ina kamay use toge harakanda if pimple tholak targadi I apply this adugi mathagta I put a spot treatment for my pimple aduga this does the job of toner and moisturizer. So this is a very nice product. I think winter gi season dadi sige se staple oil na khale. I used it last year also handakisu I used it. I really like it aduga I'll continue to use it. Moisturization ki harati I think si Laneige ki cream skin se it is one of the best products you can ever find. It will not cause your skin any upset. Next I favorite products say hydration maintain tonava Innisfree ki green tea seed serum sine sigi products sigi full review su already ai channel sida yaujakrabane. Please check that out. Sigi serum se again ayi wakhal dadi almost all skin types ta chanagani hena khale aduga if you have very dry skin aduga if your skin lacks hydration aduga krang lawdo lai taragadi this is one of the best aduga sigi se winter season dadi I think this is very nice. Next ayi product se night time da seasonaba serum ne aduga ayi serum sina ESTEE LAUDER gi advanced night repair dune sigi serum say sometimes I mix it up with alpha arbutin aduga egumasin na dabanumitana I use this alone as the lone serum. Kayumba alpha arbutin ga season targadi alpha arbutin do hana seasoner matungda sigi night repair say I use it. Sigi night repair say it's a little expensive but this is honestly one of the best skincare products. Sigi serum se ma se akoi skin se smooth ohenba aduga skin dida healthy glow lakpodo adudo yam phajana uhan bane aduga hiding asinung dang tai gra matungda aheng ayukta adum you will be able to see visible results. Sigi product say it's a little expensive adoi taragasu if you can try it out I would highly recommend this product. Next up ahi product se sunscreen ne sigi sunscreen se Innisfree ki blueberry range to ne sigi sunscreen se jo already magi full review ahi channel se da yarabane please check that out. Aduga akhoi skin da major problems lakpa se even pimples issues se sisu sunscreen taidabna hena hengal hanbane so please use a sunscreen every day. Please use a suitable sunscreen for your skin type. Next favorite winter product say lip balm ne ado hajikti air se am dry orabanina I use sigi Laneige ki lip sleeping mask se as a lip balm. Sigi lip balm se so again I channel se the full review yaujagrabane please check that out. Any lip balm chana bado please use that hadi chin sisu they need nourishment aduga if you have a lip balm with SPF that is an added bonus. Next aina share tawjariba products say weekly basis ta aina season jaba products tune weekly basis ta aina season say I do a chemical exfoliant aduga I use retinol aduga face mask hadi clay mask kumbada adusu I use it weekly. Ahanbada retinol se sigi eclat ki retinol 0.8% se sigi serum se I use it. This is a nice retinol hidi ahanbada I was a little reluctant but sigi retinol se it hasn't caused me any purging. But retinol season say please be careful that you moisturize your skin and you use an SPF every single day. Retinol say I use it once a week. Next aina weekly on a season say agi chemical exfoliants ne aduga agi chemical exfoliants na PIXI ki glow tonic tune sigi PIXI ki glow tonic say 5% glycolic acid yawe glycolic acid say AHA ne it will suit almost all skin types maybe sensitive skin nadi kitang chana ba wat katra sisu I once a week season ye. Again, asi sizinara matungda please moisturize your skin aduga sunscreen su phajana sizinabiyo. Sigi PIXI gi glow tonic se orange manam kitang change aduga I have used this for a long time. Mase once a week katang sizinabanina magi bottle macha se it will last you for a long time. Kigumba if you want to try chemical exfoliant, sigi PIXI gi glow tonic se I think this is a pretty good start. Next I product say face mask ne. Face mask se especially clay mask se I don't use it every week, maybe 2 times in a month. Aduga sigi ORIFLAME gi Love Nature gi cucumber gi face mask se this is a nice and mild, especially hajiti winter or abanina we don't want products that will strip our skin. Aduga another one sigi JEJU gi volcanic ki face mask. This is also a nice option. Sigi products sing say sigi already review agi channel sida yaujakrabne. Please check them out. Ngasi gidi sida loisinjage aroibada ngasi aina share tawjariba products sing say mi loinamakta sigi exact routine je sizinabado aduda chanagani haiba leite. Aduna please be careful when you're choosing things to use on your skin. Haidi skin concern do adugi matung inna product sing ingredients sing company choose taraga phajana wakhal tana lebiyo. Kasigidi sida loisinjarage. I hope you liked the video. Thank you and happy new